Today is Craft Your Own Napkin Stash Challenge, hosted by none other than Sarah at Sunflowers and DIYing. She has a wonderful channel, so make sure to support her by subscribing, liking, saving, and commenting. The link to her channel is in the description box below. In addition, other creators have things that you can enjoy. You can be supportive by subscribing, saving, commenting, and giving a thumbs up. It really helps our channels to grow. The playlist is in the description box below. Today, I am crafting my own napkin stash this month with a few of the napkins I saved from previous challenges. So DIY number 1 is a trinket bowl for office supplies. The supplies needed include green acrylic paint, green, pink, and lavender napkin, 3 hot pink beads, a terracotta dish, Mod Podge, and white acrylic chalk paint. This bowl just evolved as I was making it, so bear with me on this one. I wavered on which napkin to choose, but finally chose one with pink, green, and lavender flowers. I painted the top of the bowl white, so the napkin would pop. The 2-ply of the napkin was removed, and 1 coat of Mod Podge is brushed on, and the napkin is laid on top of the bowl. So it is beginning to take shape and look good. I decided to paint the bottom green. After that was done, I hot glued 3 hot pink beads on the bottom of the bowl, and it was done. I put paper clips, binder clips, cord holders, and a flash drive. Now you can put other things into it as well. DIY number 2 is a multi-use container. The supplies needed include 1 small glass container, white acrylic paint, Mod Podge, and napkin. This project is a multi-use container and is extremely easy to make. And I must confess that the glass container was cracked accidentally. I knocked it over. So it had a real crack down the side, even though the container itself was crackled glass. However, I was determined to make it work. Besides, once the napkin was on, you could not see the crack. I painted the glass plaster, but in the future, I would have used spray paint rather than chalk paint. The floral napkin was chosen and the 2-ply was removed. And of course, the napkin was pink because I decided just to go with the pink theme today. Now, Mod Podge was painted over the container and the napkin was applied over that and smoothed. So, this is how you can style this. A candle was put inside and it glowed because you could kind of see the little crackled glass and the napkin that covered it. Next, the top was put on and an olive branch stuck into the opening. So that gave a different look. And lastly, you can put soap inside, twist on the spout, and you can have soap or lotion in your bathroom. So look at the multiple uses, and you can probably think of some other uses in addition. DIY number 3, a star coaster. The supplies needed are 4 wooden stars, Mod Podge, a flag napkin, and acrylic paint and plaster. Now, in order for your napkin to pop, you always have to start out by painting the star in either white or plaster and let it dry. Now, that is if you want your napkin to pop. If you don't, you can paint it really any color or leave it just as it is. Next, You apply a thin coat of Mod Podge and apply the part of the napkin you want on the coaster. Now, I wanted some red, white, and blue on the coaster. And make sure you smooth the napkin so the wrinkles are minimized, and then you just let it dry. You can remove the excess paper by burning the remainder or sand it with a finger file. And so there you have it, a beautiful coaster for your table to celebrate the 4th of July. And I think with this, I am going to also show you my tablescape. I just want to let you know that there is a metal charger, a red plate, a navy blue napkin, and a white plate put on there. There are some straws that are in the shape of a V, which is victory. There is a bottle of the non-alcoholic wine, and it is covered with a sock, and it is red, white, and blue. There are red goblets, and then there is a faux floral, faux book stack, and a flag put in a mason jar with some rocks, and there is a tea light inside. And so you can also see the lovely coasters that were made. And let's just let freedom ring. Let's be kind to one another and treat others with respect as if we wanted to be treated. Well, that is all, Z9 Designs family. Make sure that you subscribe, like, save, and comment. And I want to sincerely thank you for all that you've done for my channel. By watching, subscribing, I really appreciate it. So keep watching, gives me a thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. And remember, 1 Corinthians 16:14 says, let all that you do be done in love. See you later. Bye-bye. So just watch the tablescape.